There is a standard set of affixes which Bikol root words are able to take. Those affixes which are not predictable from any other sets of affixes are included with the entry. The other affixes are not. The form of the affixes shown is always the infinitive. When the root word itself is translated directly into English without any affixation, this translation is given directly after the word. All other translations are given after the root plus its affixes. For example, abante, mag-abante, i-abante, pa-abante. The affixes for transitive verbs are given in pairs. The first affix of the pair indicates that the actor is the focus of attention in the sentence. Nag-abante ako ning auto. The second indicates that the focus of attention is the object. Iniabante ko an auto. Intransitive verbs take only one affix, and that is usually mag. Nag-abante an auto. Verbs which may be either transitive or intransitive are not always given with separate affix entries. In these cases, assume that if English may be either transitive or intransitive, so it is with Bikol. Tokdo, magtokdo. This is an abbreviation for the intransitive. Nagtukdo ako. And the abbreviation for the transitive. Nagtukdo ako ning math. Itinukdo ko an math. Transitive verbs have three possible affix pairs. For example, apod. This abbreviates mag-apod and apodon. Abante. This abbreviates mag-abante and i-abante. Linig. This abbreviates maglinig and linigan. All of these words form our infinitive, the so-called for convenience. When two affixes are used to indicate the same meaning, when affixed to the same verb base, both are given with the one most commonly used appearing first. Abri. mag-abri, abriyon, iabri. The passive voice takes the same affixes as the active. It is the only English translation which will be different. Hinalian ko siya ning kwarta. A locative meaning in English may always be formed by adding the locative suffix an to a Bikol root. Duman, magduman, dumanan, nagduman ako sa eskwelahan. Pigdumanan ko ang eskwelahan. The locative suffix an may also place the focus of attention in a sentence on the indirect object. For example, the entry for to teach indicates the actor and the object focuses. Tukdo, magtukdo, itukdo, nagtukdo ako ning math. Itinukdo ko ang math. The affix an indicates to whom something is taught. Tinukduan ko siya ning math. There are some cases where the Bikol root will not be affixed, only preceded by particular word. These words are not preceded nor followed by a hyphen. Aki, garuaki, abogado, maging abogado.